If you want to gain muscle and not fat, there are three things you should be doing. In this video, I will break it all down. I will be quick. Don't worry about it. They are really simple things. And the last one is actually the most important one, so stay tuned for that. So number one, you have to be in a calorie surplus. That means you either eat a little bit more or you either stop moving so damn much, okay? That's the two options that you have. That's really the two options that you have. So you have to eat more, and it's not so much more that people think. It's really like a sandwich with peanut butter or two extra, because ain't nobody got time to be doing all this preparation with these fancy meals and then this beef and then this broccoli that you should be that they tell you that you should be eating like every day. It's not so deep. Like if you eat a sandwich with peanut butter extra a day, you should be good, like one or two. Actually, there's a lot of calories in peanut butter. Like it would surprise you if you track for a while. I was doing this while I was cutting, and it was like shit. There's a lot of calories in peanut butter. But besides that, if you are the type of person and it's really difficult for you to eat more, you can also just move less, and you will also be in a surplus. So one of those two. Not so many people talk about moving less, but it's an option. So if you're doing a lot of cardio or like a lot of exercises, walking the dog a lot, like stop walking the dog, like let your kids walk the dog or let your man walk the dog, or do one of those things and just bring the activity a little bit down. Number two is actually really important, because number two is a combination of progressive overload and a program. So they go hand in hand. So what I want you to do is you have to have a set goal. So what area of your body you want to grow the muscle in. If you have that goal, then it's like, okay, what exercises are beneficial for me to grow the muscle in that area? And I know nowadays there are a lot of variations to do, but like almost all variations, they train the same muscle. So don't do like five variations and then you do the five variations and it's like, okay, you're training the same muscle. Just do your research, the exercise that you're doing, what muscle does it actually trigger, and then make a list or of 8 exercises that you can do, okay? When you have the 8 exercises, you distribute the 8 exercises throughout the amount of time that you go to the gym. So when you have done that, what I want you to do is repeat the exercises every damn week. And then when you do that every week, you add progressive overload. So you track like, okay, how many kilos I am doing right now. Maybe last week you did like 50 kilo, and then the other week, like the next week, you add like 2.5 kilo extra, and it's like 52 kilo point 5. And then every time, every week, with each exercise, you progress in the load that you actually, they say it's load, but it's like you put pressure on the muscle, and the muscle is like, okay, I have to grow right now because the pressure is too much. Number three is really the most important. People like, if you are doing one and you are doing two, but you're not doing three, it's like, what are you doing? Because number three is rest. Like stop scrolling so damn much. Stop being like this zombie living on sleep depression. Like go to sleep early, go to bed early, put down the phone, read a book, like give your body, your brain, like everything, give it rest. Because if you're not giving your body the rest that it needs, your body cannot do what it needs to be doing in case of reaching the goals that you have set for it to be reaching. So yeah, number three, really, I stand on that. Like I stand on rest. Give your body rest. Don't be that girl in the gym that's doing like all those exercises and then it's like, what are you actually doing? You should be like, have a boring routine. That's the best thing. And then eat a little more or move a little less, whatever you like. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next video. If you like this one, please like, subscribe, do something. Bye bye.